Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you some React templates which are given by MUI itself. Most of us just overlooks this part, but this can be very helpful if you want to build a quick project for something. So firstly what we can do is we can just come here to MUI material and we can go to templates and see there are lots of free templates available here, and there are some premium ones as well. So today we are going to see this landing page. So to use this, what we can do is we can directly go to the source code and copy the files from there. But since I don't have MUI installed in my project, so what I will do is I will install MUI. You can skip this part if you already have MUI installed. So what I will do is I will go to installation and copy this command, and I will just run this into terminal. Now we can install MUI icons from here. So while it's installing, I will show you the project structure. I have an app file which only says hello here, and I don't have anything in app CSS and index.css. So it's a pretty clean project. Now what we can do is we can directly go to the templates and we can preview from here. This looks pretty nice, right? These even have charts. So what we'll do is we'll go back and we'll go to the source code. Let's just copy the landing page and see what it requires. It requires things and these many components. So firstly just copy this. Copy the file and I will create a components folder here. Inside it I will create a file called landing.jsx. Paste everything here. It's exporting the landing page here, so we will use it inside our app, and I will import it, close it. Let's try to run our project. I know we are going to get a lot of errors, but we will fix them. Okay, so first thing is it's requiring an app bar and lots of components. So lots of components are coming from here. So what I will do is I will just copy paste all of them one by one. Just make sure you copy the JS files. If you are using TypeScript, you can follow with TypeScript, but for this I'm going to use it with JavaScript. So I will just copy this and I will create a file inside the components called appbar.jsx and paste it here. This should give us a different error now. Okay, maybe we need to paste it. Okay, I have to update the app bar import also inside the landing page. The app bar is now coming from /, not from. Okay, it's not coming from app bar. It's coming from app bar. Right. Similarly, we have to do this. I'll just remove components from here. Yeah, I'll just control D. And I will create a file for each of them. You can skip this part and I will just fast forward this. Now let's see what we have. We are still using toggle color mode. Okay, let's copy this. And I will create a file here. .gsx and paste everything. Let's see what we have. And just like this, yes, this is responsive as well. It does have dark mode and light mode support. You can switch the themes from here. This is pretty cool, right? Thanks guys for watching. I will see you in the next video.